Hi, my name is Jenny and I'm a product marketer at Miro. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your estimation process more inclusive, collaborative, and driving better outcomes, such as increased accuracy of your estimates. And all of this you can do with Miro. Imagine I'm a product manager at a coffee company and managing their website and online shop. Before I even get to estimations, I probably have gone through a whole journey with the team already of gathering insights, brainstorming ideas and prioritizing solutions, even building wireframes to show the ideas by using this wireframe library and simply dragging and dropping elements onto the board. After that, we listed the things that needed to be done on sticky notes. Now that we're all aligned and ready to execute, we can turn these sticky notes into cards. Cards are great for task planning because they allow you to add more details and information. Another reason why cards are great is because they can sync to your task trackers such as Jira, Azure DevOps, and Smartsheet. Let's take this one as an example. Implement video autoplay. Now let's say I want to convert this into a task into Jira. Then I simply click on the sticky notes and then this icon will appear saying convert to Jira issue. I click here and this window opens up and I can adjust the fields. And these are reflective of what I have in my Jira system. And I hit the button convert. Then you see that this is now a Jira card here on the Miro board, but also in your Jira system. And any changes that are made either here or in Jira are always reflected in both systems. Now I've arrived at the point that I'm ready to estimate these tasks with the team. The first thing I'm going to do is to place these tasks in context. This will help the team better understand what needs to be done and therefore estimate how much time and effort it will take. I do this by bringing all relevant information onto the Miro board, including diagrams and design files, leveraging the integrations that Miro has with design systems such as Figma, Adobe, and InVision. Remember the website I was working on with the team? I'm now in Figma looking at the design of this website. Here on the right-hand side, I've opened the Miro plugin for Figma. This plugin will enable the UX designer to push this design onto the Miro board. Any updates that are made, he can push again with the click of a button. I'm going to leverage this to add more context to the tasks that we're going to estimate. Now I'm back on the Miro board, ready to estimate these tasks with the team. As you can see, the design file I was looking at in Figma is now here on the board, and I don't need to switch between tabs anymore. On the right-hand side, you can see that I've also added a diagram to show what actually happens as soon as the user clicks on this button. This should again help the team better understand what needs to be done and estimate how much time and effort it will take. Now that I have all relevant information as well as my team members on board, I'm going to start estimating. To add some structure to the process and make it inclusive for all team members, I'm going to use the estimation app. I go to the apps bar and open up the estimation app. Then I choose what scale I want to use. And this time I'm going to choose Fibonacci, but I could, for example, also choose t-shirt sizing. Then I choose what items I want the team to estimate. It works on Miro cards, sticky notes, as well as Jira cards. Then I can start the estimation session and everybody gets a chance to cast their estimation vote. Now that everybody has voted, let's check out the results. I'm looking at this task, implement video autoplay, and by the icon, I can tell that this is a Jira task. On the right-hand side, I can also see that all team members think that there should be 2 story points. That's great because that means we're all aligned and we can skip this item and save some discussion time for items where we maybe disagree. So I can simply click on 2 and then the estimate will be synced to Jira. Now for this next task, it's a little bit of a different story. Here I can see that some think it should be 3 story points, while others think it should be 5. This is a great starting point for a discussion. And once we are aligned, again, I can choose which story point I want to sync to Jira. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was useful and that now you have a better understanding how you can use Miro to make your estimation process more seamless, collaborative, and inclusive.